Today's PicoCTF challenge is a technique called cookie tampering. Cookie tampering refers to the unauthorized modification of a cookie's value to bypass security. Once you are logged into PicoCTF, scroll to the search by name field and type logon. This reveals the challenge that awaits. It's an easy level challenge for web exploitation. By reading the description, it says we can bypass the logon by using the username as Joe. I click the link and it opens a username and password box. So I try that here and it logs in, however there is no flag revealed. Time to get into the source code. By right mouse clicking, view page source, we can see the HTML. There is no useful information here, so the next best place in Firefox is Developer Tools. Click More Tools, then Web Developer Tools. The best places here are the Network and Storage tabs. On the Network tab, if you refresh the page, it will show the CSS and JavaScript. The code 200 means the GET request was successful for this web page. There is also a cookie tab with little information on. So heading to the Storage tab, there is also a cookie field here. Again, not a lot to work with here. So I will try to log back in again with Joe as the username and password as password. By logging in and hitting refresh, the username and password are visible. This should never happen. That's a security issue to be dealt with. Shown, there is also an admin field with false next to it. What happens if I change this value to true, then refresh the page? And look at that. The flag appears. Take a copy of this flag and head back to the Pico website. Paste this into the challenge box and you have completed another challenge. Congratulations! How many have you completed now? Thanks for completing this challenge with us. PicoCTF has hundreds of challenges like this, so stay with G-Man and we'll complete more together. Like, share and subscribe for more. See you again real soon.